Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Here's your daily update. Here's the weekend forecast. We will check what's going on with the weekend. I will hurry up under 10 minutes this analysis. I promise, guys. I have some really important stuff here to tell you guys. I have found some really interesting patterns. So let's start this analysis now. Okay, let's dive directly into the action. Here is CoinMarketCap. What's going on? We can see all coins are pumping today. The coins are going up to the upside 10%, 11%, 12%, plus Bitcoin 9% in the plus, Ethereum 10%. And in the week, yes, in the week we are going down really bad. But it is a better day today. We have some smile on the face because we are pumping a little bit. And the weekly is not looking so bad as yesterday, guys. So everything is going up. The Bitcoin dominance is about 42.6%. Ethereum dominance is about 18.3%. We have over 70,800 coins here in the market. Amazing. Guys, look at this. This was a chart picture from Polish traders, a premium chart picture. And we can see he told us, attention, for about 20 hours. We will go down here. We will break down of this bullish wedge here, bullish rising wedge. Bearish rising wedge, sorry, guys. He told us we will break down, and no, we broke up. So, guys, everyone can make errors, everyone can make false analysis. It's not so easy. I'm also not really proud of some analysis because I make some mistakes also, but I try to do my best, guys. I promise. Here's the fear and greed index. We can see yesterday we saw extreme fear in the market, 23 points, and now we have only fear in the market. Coin Codex is telling us we will go down more and more, but Coin Codex is not the best thing. Coin Codex is not always right. We know this, guys. We are bullish with 53%, we are bearish with 47%, and we can see here the price target to the downside, 35,400, 32,500, 30,700. I hope we will not see this one. This is the best price key level to the downside with the most strength, and to the upside we have the biggest target, 44,000. We will speak about this now, guys. If we are watching here Coin Codex, we can see, okay, Coin Codex is not so bullish. Coin Codex is telling us we will go down more and more. Okay, Coin Codex, I hope you are not right. So let's go on with this picture here, guys. This is Cryptrophic. Cryptrophic is showing us this one. I'm showing you this since days. What can we see? We see the 3-day chart. Every candle is 3 days. And we can see this violet line. The violet line is the EMA 200, and it is still holding as a support. We saw yesterday a big spike to the downside, but we are back again. We are back in business. We are back in this parallel channel. We are back in this stuff. So he is telling us maybe we will go up to 46,000. If we can go up over 46,000, we can maybe reach for 53,000. So now let's dive into my chart analysis. First of all, let me show you this one. This is the daily time frame. This is the investing.com candlestick pattern, and we see here we saw here a bullish engulfing. This bullish engulfing is a sign with a medium reliability that we will make a trend reversal now to the upside. Maybe we saw the bottom now. Maybe we are going up from this point. It is a good point to watch if we are watching these candlestick patterns. This bullish engulfing is a really nice stuff. Guys, let's move on with the next stuff. Let's check now this one. This is the Bitcoin dominance. We are still going up with the dominance, but we are still fighting with the EMA 200 on the daily time frame. We need to fight back 43%, 43.31%. This is the EMA 200, and if we can fight back this one, we have the EMA ribbon band over this one here. So we have some interesting resistances if we're watching the dominance. Now let's check the Bitcoin price. What's going up? Here's the 4-hour time frame. We can see shoulder head shoulder, still possible, but we can see a parallel channel to the upside. I told you, in my opinion, as long as we are in this nice parallel channel to the upside, everything is okay. And the parallel channel is holding. You can see it here. We need to hold 33,400. And yes, we saw yesterday a nice spike to the upside. Now, let me show you this one, guys. We saw here a falling broadening wedge. And yes, we broke out of this falling broadening wedge to the upside. But we saw a rejection and we returned really hard. The rejection was here on this point. It was a really nice to watch point because we know this resistance point. We saw here a lot of spikes to this point, and here we broke it, and here we retested it. So big resistance, remember 45,600. If we can move on to the upside, remember 45,600 is a big resistance. We need to watch this. Now, if we are watching this one, we are in the 4-hour time frame, and I think it's better. Let me show you. Yes, it's not working really nice in the 4-hour. We need to go deeper. We need to go in the 1-hour time frame. Guys, let me show you this in the 1-hour time frame. It is better to watch. So, what's going on in the 1-hour time frame action? We have this picture here, and now you can see we have here a line to the downside. I'm making it also yellow, and here we also had a line to the downside. What can you see? It's a falling broadening wedge. What happened? We broke out to the upside with a nice spike. We broke out, we retested, and now is the big question. We are fighting here hard. Why are we fighting here hard, guys? I can show you. We broke out over 38,070 or 38,090, something about this. This was a big fight, and now we're fighting here. Why? I can show you. You can make a line from the left side. Let's make not a line, let's make a parallel channel, because it's a big resistance area. And we are going down to the downside like this one, and we make it red because it is a bad resistance. And now, guys, you can see what I would like to show you. This is a fat resistance line. We need to fight back 39,300, 400. We need to fight back this resistance line. This is a big fight for the moment. And if we can fight back this resistance line, we have maybe the next target to the upside from 39,300 to 45,600. This would be really amazing, guys. This would be a really nice trade. If you are now in a long position, everything is okay, everything is fine. I told you yesterday, it's maybe not the baddest thing to make a long position, but yesterday, the big news with the war and everything, this frightened me really a lot. Watch my video from yesterday, I told you this. And yes, I made a long position, but a little long position. Maybe, guys, let's watch into the future. Let's watch into the weekend. Maybe we are buying now an inverse shoulder head shoulder. Look at this. And if we are buying an inverse shoulder head shoulder, we have here a line to watch. This is this line. This is now our big resistance. We are fighting with this. And if we can break over this resistance, if we can break out from this falling wedge, we broke out already. And if we can break out over this resistance, we have a technical target to watch about 43,666, the devil's target. So, inverse, shoulder, head, shoulder. It's in the future. It's maybe not today, maybe tomorrow. We need to watch this, guys. It's possible 15-minute time frame. It's not so important. I know it, but we would like to check what's maybe going on the weekend. And this is a nice picture, in my opinion, to see a nice little pump to the up. Guys, remember always this line, this is a red resistance, 42,400, because it's coming from our biggest price for the moment, 45,600. Let's go back in the 1-hour time frame, and now you can see this is a really nice working chart picture, maybe working chart picture. We can draw a Fibonacci retracement to the downside from the highest point to the lowest point, and now we have our lines to watch here if we can pump up more. First of all, we can see we are fighting with 38,600. That's the Fibonacci line, 0.382. This is a big support now. We need to hold the support, and if we can climb over this bad resistances, we have here 40,000. I hope for a retest for 40,000. I hope for a breakout over 40,000. 0.5 Fibonacci line. This would be a really nice stuff for Bitcoin. Let me speak today a little bit bullish, not only too bearish. Maybe we're going up a little bit. We are in a big downtrend. I know this, guys, but for the moment, it's not looking so bad. Maybe we see a reversal here. Okay, that's the picture. A lot of drawings here from Biti Da Vinci. You can see it. A lot of nice lines and arcs and something like this one. So I think, guys, you know now everything you need to know for the weekend. You know the targets to the upside, you know to the downside, what's going on with our Fibonacci lines, and so on and so on and so on. Before we end this video, I will make it under 10 minutes. I promised you. Let me show you once again the monthly time frame, because this is, if we are watching this on a big overview on the monthly time frame, the most important stuff to watch, the MA20. MA20 white line price for the moment 36,800. This is the big support. We need to hold it. We saw a big spike under this, but we have now the closing body for the moment over this line. We have 3 days to close this candle. In 3 days, the monthly candle will close, and I hope we can close it over the MA20. That would be a bullish sign for Bitcoin, in my opinion. So that's it. That's the big overview for the weekend. I hope you enjoyed it today. No RSI today, no MACD. We will check this, and the next day, maybe tomorrow, the ribbon band is on. But this is really possible to watch, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, Biti. I am not a wiser.